Join me as I challenge myself to eat only cancer-fighting foods for a whole week and see how I feel by the end. When we think about fighting cancer, we often think about medical treatments and therapies. But what about the food we eat? Can certain foods really help prevent or even combat cancer? The answer is yes. Cancer-fighting foods are packed with powerful nutrients and antioxidants that can help reduce our risk of developing cancer or even help our bodies recover from cancer treatment. One of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to fighting cancer with food is knowing where to start. With so much conflicting information out there, it can be overwhelming to know which foods are actually beneficial. And let's be honest, sometimes it feels like every week there's a new superfood or miracle diet that's supposed to cure everything. But the truth is, it's not about following a specific diet or trend. It's about making informed choices about the foods we eat every day. A big part of the problem is that we often rely on what we've learned from our families or cultures about food and health, rather than seeking out the latest scientific research and expert advice. And when it comes to cancer prevention, we need to be looking at the latest evidence and listening to the experts. So how can we separate fact from fiction when it comes to cancer-fighting foods? The good news is that there are some amazing resources out there, from top cancer researchers to registered dietitians and nutritionists, who can help us make sense of the science and make informed choices about our diets. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are one of the most powerful cancer-fighting foods out there, packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce our risk of developing certain types of cancer. A handful a day can keep inflammation and cancer risk at bay. Leafy greens like kale and spinach are also superstars when it comes to cancer prevention, thanks to their high levels of vitamins and minerals that help protect our cells from damage. And then there are cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, which contain compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. These veggies are rich in sulforaphane, a compound known for its ability to inhibit cancer cell growth. Toss them into your salads, stir-fries, or soups. Now, turmeric, the golden spice. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Studies suggest it can slow the spread of cancer cells. Sprinkle it on your dishes or enjoy it in a soothing golden latte. Garlic isn't just a flavor powerhouse, it's also a cancer-fighting superstar. It contains allicin, which has been shown to kill cancer cells in laboratory studies. Bonus tip: crush your garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to maximize its health benefits. Need another reason to love tea? Green tea is packed with catechins, which are antioxidants that may help prevent cell damage. Switch out your afternoon coffee for a cup of this powerful brew. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, especially prostate cancer. Cooking tomatoes releases even more lycopene, so load up on that tomato sauce. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds are full of healthy fats and nutrients, like selenium, that may lower cancer risk. Snack on them or add them to your morning smoothie. One of the reasons these foods are so effective is that they're able to target cancer cells and prevent them from growing and spreading. They can also help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a major risk factor for many types of cancer. A study published in October 2024 in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can reduce the risk of breast cancer. It's a great example of how the foods we eat every day can have a real impact on our health. Another study published in the Journal of Cancer Research found that a diet high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds can actually help to prevent cancer recurrence in patients who have already been diagnosed. This is amazing news, and it just goes to show how powerful our diets can be in the fight against cancer. So, to recap, some of the top cancer-fighting foods we discussed today include berries, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables. These foods are packed with powerful nutrients and antioxidants that can help reduce our risk of developing cancer, or even help our bodies recover from cancer treatment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.